Hi, good people. This is Freddy. Welcome to the channel. So this is day 3, and the calf is growing so well. And on that day, you should be providing clean drinking water, and then you have some pellets, and then we have fine soft hay, and then I'll be going to be hanging mineral block there. Although I'll be also providing the powdered calf mineral salts. So first thing that you have to know is or to do is make sure that the calf shed is very comfortable for the calf, very spacious, because these calves keep on running up and down. And also the bedding should be very dry and soft and very comfortable. Like now I'm using wood shavings, not sawdust, but wood shavings. So these are very comfortable. uh they are very good when it comes to bedding when you are dealing with calves, but for bigger cows they be spread all over, so I prefer these. So the room is very spacious, as you can see. There is good air circulation. There is proper lighting, yeah, and make sure that your calf is very comfortable, yeah. So within a very short time, it will start eating a little by little of that quality hay right there. Now let's come to pellets. So whenever you're giving your calf pellet, make sure they are quality pellets. Like for this case here, so these are very quality calf pellets, as you can see here. Although they are expensive, a kilo goes for 80 bob in my locality, and but we have others goes for 50 and 60. So I prefer this one. Yeah, I prefer this one because it will make calf to start to know how to start eating dry matter as soon as possible, and you can wean this calf as it once it doubles its birth weight. Yeah, so you see the weight is running up and down. So if you don't have space, it will be a stress, and we want to eliminate as much stress as possible when it comes to calf rearing. Let me talk the issue of water. So water you have to provide at ad drip. On the that day, you have to provide water at ad drip. Yeah, always there is fresh, clean water. Yeah, because I've seen some farmers, they introduce water and then they remove it. But the moment the calf notices, it will drink as much and it will start urinating blood. So always provide water at ad drip, the way I'm doing here. So those are the most crucial things that you should consider. The proper housing when it comes to calf management. We have you have to introduce uh, calf pellets, quality calf pellets, and then we have bomber rods, and then we have water, and then you have mineral block salt, and also the calf salt, the powdered one. Yeah, so you have to make sure they are all there, because we want to make these the first 100 days are very crucial when it comes to an animal. Although this is a bull, uh, these are he, yeah, I want to rear it the best way possible I can. Yeah, because I'll not be doing this more. Okay, when a calf is born, do as much as possible. Try as much as possible to make sure you have brought it in the right manner. Yeah, giving the required nutrients for the calf growth, and within no time, or with a short time, you'll notice that the calf has already attained its double weight, and you can win it from there. Yeah, you don't have to wait even for 3 months for you to win it. You can win it once it doubles its birth weight. Yeah, yeah, that is it, guys. You have to be very keen. You have to be in the issue of milk. How do you feed milk? So once it is born, make sure you feed it colostrum two uh 2 hours, not more than 2 hours after it has been. Let it feed at ad drip, meaning let it feed as much as it can. Once done, Yeah, that is it. Now, what happens after that? So be making sure that you feed it 3 liters in the morning and 3 liters in the evening if you milk twice in a day. But if you milk thrice in a day, just give it 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 2 in the evening. But there are others who can feed it like the previous one. I was feeding it 9 liters. But for this, I want to make sure I feed it 6 liters minimum per day, and then I'll be providing others, the pellets, the hay, and water, yeah, and mineral salts, so that we can have better growth, and the calf we win it the soonest time possible. The reason that we give colostrum 2 hours after birth is to ensure that the immunity, you have to boost the immunity. That is by providing colostrum at adrib. Once you do that, it will be able to cope up, and it can fight any illnesses that may come. So you must be very keen when it comes to calf layering. So once you follow all those steps, your calf will grow at a good rate, and you can win it the soonest time possible. So there is this issue of milk replacers and the mother's milk. So some people are advising that you'll be using the milk replacers instead of the mother's milk. Now, here is the thing: you have to, as a farmer, you have to know the production cost, or the rearing costs. Milk replacers are very expensive, and if you keep on listening to these salesmen, remember their main purpose, their main agenda is to just to sell you to get money out of your pocket. So for me, what I would advise is just feed the mother's milk rather than adding another extra cost of buying replacers. You sell milk and then you buy artificial milk. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, so you have to make sure that you feed it the mother. For me, that is my opinion, that you just give it the mother's milk instead of using repressors. Yeah, they say that repressors have a fast growth, which I can't agree or disagree. But for me, to reduce the cost of rearing your calf, make sure you feed it the mother's calf a minimum of 6 liters in a day, and then you provide others: the fodder, the pellet, the milk, and then the mineral salts. It will be good, yeah. But the moment you keep on rushing to shop, another product has been launched, you go and take it. What are you making any profit in dairy farming, or are you making losses? Remember, those people that are selling it to you, they are the ones who are minting money out of you. They are the ones who are making profit. But you have to be intelligent. You have to know, you have to be well versed with the dairy sector. Yeah, so that you don't be conned, you don't use a lot of money just trying to impress the sellers or distributors, or you want to make your name. So use what you have, and just go from there. Yeah, so watch over those factors that we have talked about, and I guarantee you, with time, your calf will grow well. So thank you for watching till this far. If this video makes sense or it is value to you, you may subscribe, and feel free to comment, to ask any questions, like the video. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and time.